Well, I've been teasing it for the past few weeks, and I've been telling you, hey, there's a new bar coming, a new restaurant coming. You guys have been asking me questions about it, and so today I think it's finally time to spill the beans now that the application is in and more than likely will be approved. Behind me is Exit 6 here on the old New Jersey Avenue in Walnut, and I will tell you in the coming months, this thing will be demolished to make room for a brand new bar. It is going to be gorgeous. 2 stories, restaurant, a courtyard, so many cool things I want to talk to you about this. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe, you turn on notifications, and you give this video a thumbs up. A special thank you out to my Patreons on patreon.com. It's because of them that we could do videos just like this and go down to City Hall on the random of the day to look at documents for quite some time. If you want to support the channel and have your name at the end of the video, all you have to do is click the links in the description below. Plus, you get to support local journalism. That aside, let's go ahead and get started. Great news! We now have our new 2025 Christmas ornaments in stock. Here is a seagull driving the tram car, and yes, seagulls, they can drive. And our other one is Santa as a lifeguard. I love this one. Look at those shorts there with snowflakes. Which one do you guys like? I'll put the link down in the description of the video if you want to buy one of these today, or one of our other 5 Christmas ornaments themed to the Wildwoods. Hopefully we'll see you guys on the beach. Before we dive into everything, I need you to understand that everything I'm going to say to you is still preliminary. Things could change over time, though. I need to add at this very moment, they actually shut off the gas, they disconnected the cables, and they took up the meters, which means that this is probably going to be demolished within the next few months. I'm told that it probably won't be demolished ASAP. They're going to do some work on the inside before then going out and moving walls and ripping things down. That aside, all the blueprints and things I'm going to share with you, things could change a little bit down the line. If you've never heard of Exit 6, it's been around for the past few years. You probably know it from its former name, Echoes. That's right. That was the place I think many of us had our very first drinks. But obviously over the years it had many different names. And now, as far as we know, it's still going to be called Exit 6 from the blueprints and things we've seen online, but it's going to be a major change. I've got the blueprints. I'm going to walk around the building, but first, let's break down the blueprints inside. This is the corner looking from the corner of Walnut and Old New Jersey Avenue into the facility. There's a lot to break down here. First, on the first level, that's going to be a courtyard with 2 different bars. There's going to be a stage in the middle. As you could tell, there is a second story. That up there is going to be fine dining, so you'll see an outside section or a covered portion. Then there's an inside section, plus there's also an inside bar, which is also going to be on the top level and bottom level. In this next photo, it's an elevated photo where you can see the covered patio. Under that's another bar with some places to eat. On the other side, that covered area, that is also yet another bar. And you can kind of see the stage in the middle. That's where the entertainment's going to be. Of course, they're going to be year-round, so that's why they also need an inside section. So if you go past the stage, that's the inside bar, and above that is the fine dining. Now we get to the blueprints, in which you can see the courtyard, you can see the stage in the middle. You've got 2 different bars outside, 15 seats each. On the left-hand side, you can see the area for staff. You got trash, beer box, kitchen. In the far back, that's where that other house is currently standing, which I'll show you what I'm talking about in a second. That's where you're going to have 3 different bars, one for 57 people, and then 2 smaller ones on the side. Then you'll see steps going upstairs to the fine dining area. Now we have the upstairs. On the right-hand side, that's the outdoor covered seating. There's going to be enough room for 70 people. On the left-hand side, that is the kitchen, the back of the house, and storage, so that's not open to the public. And then in the back, this is where you have the restaurant for 146 people with a smaller bar on the right-hand side. It is going to be a very nice place to hang out. That covered patio is going to be really awesome for sunrises. Not sure if they're doing breakfast, but it's going to be a really nice place once it's all said and done. Then I leave you with these last 2 mock-ups. This one shows the building on the left, that big garage door, that's for the trash. That was the issue they were having before. Now, they got a big area to deal with that. And the next photo is showing you, once again, from the corner. Now that you've seen the blueprints, let's compare it to this, in which you're going to see this whole thing opened up. This would be one giant courtyard. On this side over here, this is where that outdoor patio is going to be, the covered patio. There you're going to have a really beautiful view of sunrises. I'm not sure if they're going to offer breakfast, but that's going to be a really cool place to see the sunrise. This right here is where you're going to be able to walk by and look into the courtyard. You'll be able to see one bar going this way, another bar going down that other end, and in the middle is going to be a giant stage for live bands. Like I've mentioned before, this is going to be a bar and a restaurant, but they're going to be building this differently because it's going to be 2 stories all around. You got the courtyard, it's going to be hollowed out. You're going to see up there the patio moving over. There's going to be a restaurant upstairs, in which, according to the blueprints, the entrance to that's going to be over this way. Yeah, they bought the house behind here, which is a decent sized lot. They're going to demolish this entire thing to become part of this bar. Yeah, it is going to be massive. All of that aside, I figured let me do one little walking tour for you before they start ripping things down. Though I need to tell you, as far as we know, demolition on this probably will not happen for a bit. They're going to work on the inside first. They'll probably knock out the outside before then going and doing things, moving walls and getting things going. So they're going to start, or at least let me start here on Walnut and then make our way around. This will be the house that's going to be demolished to make room so they can extend the property line all the way back here. And at the time of this recording, they already shut down or shut off the gas. You can actually see the markings here. And they disconnected the house from the cable. You see the cables are down, they stick all the way up to that pole up here. This corner here, at least off this corner, is going to be the entrance to upstairs at the restaurant. So you can imagine going upstairs to the restaurant, which would be at this level going across. That side there will be where the outdoor patio is. So if you make your way down, that's going to be one of the main entrances. There'll also be another entrance right over here, which according to the blueprints will be some kind of hostess desk. At least that's what I'm showing. So it looks like one entrance for upstairs here, and then one over here. Not sure if you go to this one first before you go upstairs, but if you continue down, there'll be an entrance to the courtyard around this area, in which there'll be a bar set up along this wall inside. Upstairs, as I said before, this will be a kind of outdoor patio. You'll be able to look over. I don't have the drone with me right now, but you'll be able to look out that way. Will actually be a really cool view. And one of 2 second-story bars on this side, because you got flip-flops down this way. That kind of has sort of like that view, except once again, it's going to be open, so you can kind of hang out here. There will not be an entrance on the corner, except for, actually there will be. It's going to be stepped a little bit different, not with doors like this from what I've seen. Make our way down. This is going to be like a half wall going this way with tables on the other end. There'll be another entrance right around, I would say about here, to get inside. And then going this way, from what I've seen, this is going to be more or less like a trash room, so there's not going to be a window from any of the blueprints I've seen. And this is where the property ends, right about here. And this building has also been disconnected from everything. You see the meters have been removed. There's no power, and they cut the cables. But I guess I didn't realize how big this regional building is. I don't think any of us have gone upstairs when it was Echoes. But there's a lot of work that needs to be done to get things ready. And I don't know if you can look inside. It's probably can't see anything in there. Like I've mentioned before, there is no timeline yet on when they're going to demolish this building. It could be quite some time since they're going to do work inside first. I'm assuming they got to run lines and things like that, get things kind of sorted out and ready to go, and then they could start demolishing things. I'm sure they're going to want to demolish this thing first before then start tearing down, because I believe some of the walls are just going to be moved and a few other things are going to happen. But I mean, that is that, folks. You heard it first here on the Wildwood Video Archive. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below if you haven't done so yet. Please subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. I'm Joey, and as always, I'll see you on the beach, it's right over there. It's actually a really nice day today. I don't have a jacket on, though. I still have I miss wearing shorts. I know. Anyway, I'll see you on the beach. Bye.